Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to go over how to sort your seeds on Excel or Google Sheets, which is what I use. So at the top, I normally start with category, seed, quantity, and estimate, source, and when to plant. So as you can see, my 2021 list, this is just from collecting it to plant for this year, is pretty extensive. I sort them by beans, fruit, flower, herbs, lettuces, peas, peppers, tomatoes, squash, and eventually just general veggies section. This was my list from last year. As you can see, it is pretty out of whack because I did add a couple of different categories, but I also estimated the quantity, if they were successful or not when I was planting them, and I was also learning about what kind of zone they might be in. So I also looked up each one's zone. We are in 5B, so I really wanted to make sure that all of them could be planted outside. And there was the total, about 20,000 seeds last year. Obviously didn't plant those all, but I had almost half as much as last year. So I wanted to show you how to freeze the top so that it scrolls down with you. You're going to freeze the first row, and once you do that, you'll be able to keep the categories at the top. If you want to sort them, you can sort them A to Z. I sorted them by the category, as you can tell, from A to Z, and that makes it easier for me to keep track of them because that's how I store them. When you want to put the date in, let's just say it's my birthday, we're going to plant them. You can't actually drag it down like you would autofill, but you have to copy it twice and then drag it down, and you can copy it for all the ones that apply. Next, I'm going to show you how to add one. So if you were to receive one in a swap, where you could add it in the category. So I usually do insert row below. Let's just say we're going to add a flower, autofill that, and we're going to put daisy flowers in there. Let's just say we got 10, and we got it from a swap. Also drag it down to autofill, and you're done. So it's very easy. You can move it up and down the whole row, but we're going to delete it for now since we didn't actually get any daisies. You can also size out the categories at the top, and everything in bright green is things that I'm going to actually plant in my garden this year. So I've already started planting. I also wanted to show you quickly how to sum up all of your quantity of seeds. Definitely an estimate, but nonetheless it's pretty interesting and fun to share that you've collected all these seeds. So you're going to push the equals, and it already knows what I want to do, but type in sum, and then you can drag from C2 to C350 to select all of them. And that is how many seeds I collected last year to plant for this year. Thank you for watching.